The difference between a geometric sequence and an arithmetic sequence is that with an arithmetic sequence, we use addition to find the next term in the sequence. With a geometric sequence, we use multiplication to find the next term in the sequence. To write a formula for the nth term of the indicated sequence, we will use the formula a sub n is equal to a plus the quantity of n minus 1 times d, where a is the first term in the sequence and d is the common difference. Now, if we plug our known values in for a and d, we will have a sub n is equal to 6 plus n minus 1 times 10. So this here is the formula for the nth term of this sequence. We can simplify this, however, so let's do that. A sub n is equal to 6 plus 10n minus 10, which is a sub n is equal to 10n minus 4. So this is the general form for the nth term of this sequence. Now we have to find the first 5 terms of this sequence. So starting with the number 1, we will plug 1 in for n, and then we will get the first term in the sequence. So a sub 1 is equal to 10 times 1 minus 4, which equals 6, which we already knew because they gave us that in the beginning of the problem. Now to find the second term of the sequence, we'll go a sub 2 is equal to 10 times 2 minus 4 is equal to 16. Now if we continue this process, we can get the first 5 terms of this sequence. And they are 6, 16, 26, 36, 46. And this pattern will continue on.